dollars for my car, for my bike, for everything. Just a few more dollars. Thanks for joining Just a Few Dollars. Enjoy the episode, the show. Morning at the yard, we're trying to pull these rams out. I said it should have been pulled out in 1 hour, but we've got a snag. We should have probably collapsed the ram in, and then there's a fitting hooked on under there. There's no way you can get it out like that, absolutely no way, but we're going to try a different way. Here, Saturday morning, what is the 19th of March, just a 4-hour shift. That's all we're allowed, as in the yard's only open for 4 hours, and so we've got to get job and knock, we call it. Got to get it over the line and finished. So we're using a JCB, little what we call a tally handler. We've got a chain hook to that, and we're trying to yank it out, and then I see the problem. You know, on the other side we had clearance, on this side we didn't. So watch this space, all right, folks? Here's the update. I'm trying to burn out. There's a chute that allows all the rubbish to go down. It's all blocked up. Of course, oily, flammable. The rams are out. There it is. I just cleaned the lens, and they're big things. All right. There's my foot, and that's where. And there's all the muck in there. So we've got that ram out. We've got this one loose. That can just drag out the other side. See the big pins? Big pins. They go in there. Then we got this end. We've already got that one out, and now we're pulling this one out. So we're pulling the two out on the other side. Okay, here it is, the other side of the machine, and it's got 3 rams here. We're pulling out two end ones. This one. So we've got all the bolts out of here. We've got the chains on ready in the morning, and all the bolts out of there. And the ram goes right through. We're going to pull that one out. This one stays in there, so we can operate it still. And this one comes out, all the bolts are out too. So, good day's work. Some bolts are stubborn. So if you watch 2 or 3 episodes, it's free to subscribe, so help us out, right?
Come on. Subscribe.
We need that 1,000 subscribers. I don't know how we're going to do it, but it'll work, and we never give up, you know it. You never give up. What is that? Here we have a newcomer to the tube. It's Polish Andy. Look at it. I'm going to help him shovel the muck. Shovel the muck. A lot of action here this morning, and where we're getting it from, I'll show you. We're shoveling all the muck. We've got the rams out. 1, 2, and another one around the corner. 3, and we're shoveling it all out here. Polish Andy, our new YouTube participant. Yo! So this morning at the yard, this is what we've done. We pulled the ram out, and you think, oh yeah, you told us before. But here we have it. I've marked them. And I put a dot on it, okay? And I marked it here. Now you think, why would you mark them? Well, I want that cylinder to go in the same spot. And you think, well, they're all the same. No, they're not all the same. What it is, we've got this hub here. It's not the same because they all wear, and this goes in and out, right? As if we've got to push this back in, this hub, and they all wear at a different rate. So we mightn't get that one in the other one. And both sides are different. The doors are different. See that? One clinches under and one clinches over. So it's always best to mark it. And how do you mark it? You don't mark it with a marker. Plant fitters never mark things with markers. You know why? Because the operator will come along and pressure wash it. Oh, where's the mark? It's gone. So what we do is use a grinder and we grind the number in. And I know, you like my numbers, the way I did it. Give it a like, subscribe.
Come on. Subscribe.
The lens is getting wet and this sort of thing. I just want to talk to you. Bit of a noisy pump there, that's our pressure washer. Talk to you about weather. You know, I'm an Aussie in the UK and everyone said, everyone says it. Everyone says it. Bad weather, raining all the time. Look, it's not rain. You know what rain is? Rain is 30 days straight torrential. That's rain. This is not rain. This is a joke. Absolute joke. So, you know, what you have to do is you have to have a mindset of saying, behind the clouds, there's always sunshine. So don't get down on it. Work with it, right? Only working 4 hours. Have a hot shower and it'll be all done. Come on. If you like what you see, press that like button. Thanks, guys.
Like it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Now here's another toolie. Another toolie. This one's 26 rego plate, whatever that means. But overtake, but there's a lot of cars coming. Is another toolie, and have a look at the beautiful round shape up the top. That's what they lost. They lost a bit of class. So that one's a nice Maidstone Corporation. Right, just heading out for a frothy. See this van here? Now for Aussies it's unusual, but that's Francais, but right-hand drive. Very unusual. And there's another toolie. In Aussie, you don't get toolies. That's what I'm on about. And the advertisement on there, it's called Menno Pace. I don't know what it means. I'm at St. James's Place, and where do I go shopping on Sunday? Right, Skippy Kangaroo. What do you think he would buy for toothpaste? Has the guy got a clue? A little bit switched on. Or what do kangaroos brush their teeth with? Well, I'll tell you. Clean the lens. Here it is here. What do kangaroos brush their teeth with? The obvious choice is grass. Yep. But this one, I brush my teeth with charcoal. Read it. Read it.
Like it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Time for a frothy. Where am I? Better order me frothy. All right, hasta la vista, baby.